was a fairy tale, you were the prince. I used to be a damsel in distress. You took me by the hand and
Hello, I will teach you how to make watermark for X widget. And watermark is like that. This one, it's like a giraffe, like a text if you want a GIF in the photo. It will make in Photoshop. And if you don't know how to make a GIF, just watch my video in how to make a GIF in Photoshop. Actually, Photoshop, any Photoshop works on it. So, and that now, and you can have it. Then you have to do is open Photoshop. Then open your canvas. It must be transparent, and go to File, then open a photo. I guess maybe. And that. Use the elliptical marquee tool for that. To make it perfect circle, hold Shift. Okay? And use the quick selection tools for the head. And there. Use the move tool to move it to your canvas. It must be small because it will not fit in our X widget. And use the type tool to make text. And then OK. And press Ctrl T and spin like that if you want a big. Okay. Then crop it. If you not see it, you give it screen. And that. Then duplicate the text by the numbering of the letters. It's Selena. Okay. S E L E N A. Then that. Now hide it. Then that. Hide it and you're gonna make it. And you're gonna change the color of the first. Okay. You transform it. Then that. Okay. Okay. It lost. And hide it. Then that. hide it. And the first one, make it in the top like this. And use the animation tool for it. And hide. And that. Now that you can adjust it in 2 seconds. Actually, 2 seconds is the watermark GIF time. That. And how to save GIF? You're gonna go to File, then Save for Web and Devices. And make it in GIF. Make sure it's a GIF. And okay. Then wait until it loads. Okay, save. Okay, let's wait. Then go to your X widget and right click it. And create widget. Wait until it loads. And the widget display name. Okay, make it blank. I'm sorry. On the tree. Okay, it loads. Then the text, right click and then delete it. Then delete it. Then make the components on GIF. Then import it. Okay then. Adjust it. Yeah. Then that. Go to debug and wait until it loads to make it start. There we go. Then make X and you can save changes. Then now go to X widget and add widget. And telemetry. And okay. Then you can make it right click window and make it the zoom into 50. And you can make it into opacity 50. yeah, right, and right click if you can make it a position like topmost if you're gonna have it, and that, and there you're gonna make it a zoom like 50, 30, and there we go. We have a, you can close it, you can close, okay. So thanks for watching, hope it helps, and like, comment, subscribe, don't forget it, okay, bye.